Children, welcome back to our part 2 video. As you all know that this is our online EVS class, and in the first part video I have explained you C part exercise, that is the third exercise of true or false. So I hope children you all have understood true false very clearly, and I hope you all have listened to my first video very carefully and understood each and every sentence with its answer nicely. Okay, now children, I want to tell you that according to your as you all know that when I have sent you the message, when the teachers are sending you messages on WhatsApp, so we have told you that your notebooks of each and every subject as well as your holiday homework should be submitted in school, so that we can correct it and we can give you back. And holiday homework as well as notebooks carry marks, so we want you all to please submit the notebooks. Those who have not submitted the notebooks till now, please make sure children that Monday to Thursday you can come to school to submit the notebooks. Is that clear? So children, I want you all to get your copies corrected, as well as one more important notice, that when the teachers have given you the timetable for online classes, make sure in the evening, please make sure each one of you should attend that online classes, because we all teachers are taking revisions, or we all are explaining the topics which we will be covering in the प्री मिड टर्म एग्ज़ाम. जो भी प्री मिड टर्म एग्ज़ाम में आपका सिलेबस आ रहा है उसको हम आपकी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में कवर कर रहे हैं दोबारा से, बिकॉज बहुत से बच्चे अभी न्यू हैं, दोज हु हैव मिस्ड द फर्स्ट topics, okay, the first 2-3 topics. So I want them all to attend these classes, as well as all the students should attend these classes, so that your attendance will be counted. Okay, and I want you all to be present there. Now back to our today's part 2 video, children. So as you all know, I told you that in this video we are going to do 2 notebook exercises more. Okay, so D and E part we are going to do, 4th and 5th part. So as you all know, in this 4th part we are going to do give examples of. As you can see, I have written here give examples of. यहाँ पे हमने कुछ sentences दिए हैं जिसको पढ़ के आपको उसके 2 answers, 2 examples देने हैं. Is that clear? So I hope you all are ready. Very good. Let's get started. It's my humble request, children, when I am explaining, please make sure that you listen to each and every video very carefully. So part 1 is 2 examples of pakka houses. Here you have to give 2 examples of pakka houses. Pakka houses के 2 examples कौन से हैं? Okay, so you can write here flats, 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 and bungalows, BUNGALOWS, bungalows. Is that clear? Now example of pakka houses. As you all know, pakka houses कौन से होते हैं? Which are made up of bricks, cement and steel. Okay, and they have many doors and windows which are made up of wood and glass. And pakka houses are very strong houses. Okay, ये बहुत strong और permanent houses होते हैं. तो ये कौन से हाउसेज होते हैं? जिनमें हम लोग रहते हैं, लाइक फ्लैट्स में या फिर बंगलोज में. इज दैट क्लियर? सो 2 एग्जाम्पल्स आर, फर्स्ट वन इज फ्लैट्स, FLATS, फ्लैट्स, एंड सेकेंड वन इज बंगलोज, BUNGALOWS, बंगलोज. क्लियर? कमिंग टू द सेकेंड पार्ट, नेम 2 थिंग्स फ्रॉम विच अ कच्चा हाउस इज मेड. कच्चा हाउस क्या है? विच इज मेड अप ऑफ clay, straw, okay, leaves and dry grass. Its roof is made up of leaves and dry grass, so it is not so durable, or you can say it is not so strong. So kacha house, 2 things from which a kacha house is made, you can write clay and straw. Okay, first one is CLAY, clay, and second one is STRAW, straw. Is that clear? Clay and straw are the 2 examples, are the 2 things from which a kacha house is made. If you want to change these 2 things, and if you want to write leaves and dry grass, you can also write that. And out of any 4 you can write any 2. Okay, out of all the 4 which are given in your book, you can write any 2. Is that clear? Now coming to the third one, our house protect us from dash and dash. अब हमें घर किससे प्रोटेक्ट करता है? हम जिस घर में रहते हैं हमें वो घर किस चीज़ से प्रोटेक्ट करता है? सो यू कैन राइट हियर heat, HEAT, heat. Okay, and second one you can write here wild, WILD, wild animals. Okay, anything you can write. You can write heat and cold, you can write in heat or rain, or you can write wild animals and thieves. Anything which as I have explained you in the chapter, that a house protect us from heat, cold and rain, as well as it protects us from wild animals and thieves. So out of all these 5 you can write any 2. Okay, now coming to the fourth part, name 2 things from which a पक्का house is made. पक्का house किस चीज़ से बना है, हमें उन 2 things के नाम लिखने हैं. As you all know, a पक्का house is made up of bricks, cement and steel, and their windows and doors are made up of wood and glass. Okay, so out of all these things you can write any 2. So I am going to write here 2 examples, or the 2 things which I am going to write here are, number 1 is bricks, 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 and the second one I am going to write here cement, CEMENT, cement. Is that clear? If you want to change any name, then you can change. Instead of bricks you can write steel also, or instead of cement you can write anything, bricks or steel, anything you can write. Okay, but it should be correct. Is that clear? Now in this exercise there are only 4 sentences which I have given you. So once again I am repeating. Give examples of, number 1 is 2 examples of pakka houses, and the 2 examples of flats and bungalows. Number 2, name 2 things from which a कच्चा house is made. कच्चा house किससे बनता है? First is clay and second is straw. Third one, our house protect us from heat and wild animals. Last one, name 2 things from which a pakka house is made, and the answers are bricks and cement. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood. Now coming to the last exercise, children, make sure that you start this exercise also from a new page. Okay, and this is very easy exercise. Match the following. So you can see here there are 2 columns given. Okay, on side A I have written some words like inner house, pakka house, kacha house, wood house and good house. Okay, and on the other side, on the next column, I have written some answers which are related to first column. इन वर्ड्स से रिलेटेड आंसर्स हमने इधर लिखे होते हैं, जो कि सब जम्बल्ड होते हैं और हमें ढूंढ के इनसे उनको मैच करना होता है. इज़ दैट क्लियर? फर्स्ट कॉलम का जो वर्ड है उसका आंसर ढूंढ के हमें यहाँ मैच करना है. इज़ दैट क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? नाउ हियर आई हैव रिटन सीमेंट, फील सेफ, नीट एंड क्लीन, क्ले, हिली रीजन्स. सो आर यू ऑल रेडी? वेरी इजी. इन अ हाउस we all feel safe. So in a house will be matched with feel safe. Now children, one more thing. In the topic of match the following, I have seen many of the assignments which I have received till now, I have seen that most of you have not used a ruler to draw these lines, which is a very bad thing, children. I always tell you, when you are doing match the following exercise, pick your scale and draw lines with the help of your scale. Okay, and next time if I see anybody drawing the lines with their hands, I will straight away cut the exercise. Okay, and your marks will also be cut. Now inner house will be matched with feel safe. Pakka house made up of cement, so pakka house will be matched with cement. Then the third one is kacha house, which is made up of clay, so it will be matched with clay like this. Then wood house, we find wood house in hilly regions, so wood house will be matched with hilly regions. Good house, the last one, should be neat and clean, so good house will be matched with neat and clean. Is that clear, children? I hope you all have understood this exercise clearly. In a house, we feel safe. Pakka house is made of cement. Kacha house made of clay. Wood house we found in hilly regions. And in the last, a good house should be neat and clean. So I hope you all have understood, children. So by this we complete our today's assignment and today's exercises. So in all, I have given you 3 notebook exercises to complete in your notebook, as tomorrow is Sunday. So I want you all to complete these 3 exercises in your notebooks by Sunday, and then we will complete one more exercise which is left, okay, on Tuesday. So till Tuesday, children, I want you all your work to be completed on time, okay? So till my next video, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.